Hiya guys and welcome back to my channel, the channel of the Italian Keto Guy! If you don't know me yet, this is Giuseppe, I am 48 years old and I have been eating keto since the 15th of July 2018. This way of eating, I don't consider it to be a diet to be followed for 21 days, 1 month, whatever, but a way of eating until the end. This way of eating gave me back the strength and the health I lost while eating sugar, the poisonous sugar. In my channel you can find mainly traditional recipes converted into keto ones whenever the recipe allows it. And I want to tell you that I'm writing my book, I'm translating my book, you can see it here in a paper format into English in a digital format. So soon you will be able to order it through PayPal and you will receive your e-book in PDF format with all the recipes that are in the paper one in the Italian language. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to prepare some cold fish balls. They are not meat balls, but they are fish balls made of cod. Very easy to prepare, 2 ingredients. Then if you want to add more spices, it's up to you. But anyway, the base ingredients are very easy, very easy to make. Let's see straight away how we can make those delicious cold fish balls, and then as usual our ritual, we will taste them.
Hard ingredients: a bunch of parsley, 750 grams of cod, and 210 golden flaxseed flour, plus 100 for the breading. So now today I have a helper, the little Mia. She's kindly helped me to make the recipe while I'm filming. So you have to blend the cod, so to add it like a paste, and then you can add the golden flaxseed flour with salt. Don't forget what salt, enough salt, and then the bunch of parsley. At this point, you can, if you like, you can add some more spices like powdered garlic, for example, thyme, whatever you like in the fish. So keep stirring. Yeah, you can use the hands. The little Mia asked if she could use the hands. Yeah, it's the best tool, Mia, to knead the dough. Let's say dough. So mix everything well together. Be sure that all the ingredients are combined so that you can form a kind of I don't know if I can call it dough. I don't know. Anyway, for the fish balls, the size is up to you, of course. So I won't tell you how many I made because it depends on the size. So after we form all, you form all the balls, the fish balls. It's time to start the breading process. So take the 100 grams of golden flaxseed flour, and then put them in a plate, and then roll carefully every side of the fish balls, so that yeah, so nice, so that you can coat, if I can say like that, the fish balls in the golden flaxseed flour and bread them. After that, you can go straight to the frying pan. There is no need to store them in the fridge. And I prefer the golden flaxseed flour for because they don't make the dough dark. Here they are, all of them. I don't know how many. As I said, it depends on the sides you made the fish balls. Olive oil. When you see the bubbles forming around the toothpick, it means that oil is hot enough. So as you can see, the oil is definitely hot enough. I used olive oil, but you can use lard, ghee, butter. Some people use coconut oil. The lard is the one that has the highest burning point. Don't use seeds-based oil like peanut oil, sunflower oil. They have a low burning point and they are inflammatory. So olive oil, lard, coconut oil, ghee, butter are the best oil to fry in keto. So make them golden and then off.
Mia, dimmi una cosa, ma come sono queste polpette di merluzzo?
Buonissime.
Buonissime? Il tuo aiuto è stato veramente prezioso. Grazie di avermi aiutato
Prego.
e buon appetito. Ciao.
Ciao.
And here we are, our ritual, the magic moment you people wait for. Here it is, the fish, the code fish balls. Buon appetito. Oh my goodness. The simpleness of this recipe is outstanding. I don't know, but other people, when they make those cold balls, cold fish balls, they add some more things. I'm not criticizing them, but I believe that the simpler is better. You can eat, you can taste all the freshness of all the taste of the cod with no other ingredients added. Only cod only. And believe me, no cheese, no eggs, just some parsley, or if you want to add more spices, but I can taste just cod. Delicious. So anyway, if you want to add some cheese, some parmesan, I don't think parmesan and cheese match so well together, but feel free to add it. Let me know in the comments below if you do it and how they taste. You know, I like when you people make variations to my recipes. I hope you liked it, and stay tuned for my ebook in English language, so you can get all the recipes, most of the recipes into this channel. More details to come. Please subscribe to the channel by smashing the subscribe button below, and see you next time. Ciao!